get up and put on the coffee. You know the sunlight won't last. Making my way to the country. I'm gonna catch a big old blast.
Alright, what is up guys? 14 Outdoors. We are back and today we will be doing some lake fishing. So this video was from like, I don't know, last week or something. And I went fishing again a couple days later and I snapped my trolling motor in half. So we just been kayak fishing, but we ain't been doing much good. So I'm gonna get my trolling motor back like next week. And so we'll be going fishing again. But I do have some videos that'll be coming out just that are on the card right now. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the whole video and let's get into it. Dude, it seems like they spawn in anything, cause like, oh, that gum. Yes, dude. As long as it's structure. Just like, oh, you do? This one grabs more water, cause it's got like, what kind of braid did you have? Dude.
Jesus. You need a net?
No, I got him. Just let me get him. I want to practice. Dude, this one spawned out. Or it kind of, or maybe not. Maybe it should beat up.
You trying to get that boat flipping down?
Yeah, I thought it was bigger though. What I want to practice is like where you like get in the seat and grab them.
Oh, you lift them?
Yeah. Dude, look how,
I think
it's like skinny, but it's like,
that's still pretty chunky, dude.
dude, he knocked the crap out of it. I saw the line go, boom. I think it was really. Oh, it's the worst, dude. It sucks. Except like some guys use it for like like a devil's horse.
I heard use it for top one, that's it.
Dude, that's a big one.
You need a net?
No, dude, I got him.
Dude, that's a nice one. Dude,
Hold on, dude, hold on.
you sure you got him there?
Yeah, I got him, dude. I want to get him. Oh, it ain't even that big.
It's not even that big. Are you kidding me?
Felt so. Ow. Oh.
Cut yourself?
Yes.
That wet line is You look so much bigger.
Dude, he was pulling hard.
No.
Yeah.
Dude, I need to get some of them.
I know, dude.
I thought I'd call on this.
If I catch another one, I'll give you one. But I mean, it really shouldn't matter that much.
I know. I think they're both black and blue. Oh, man.
Shook my jig out. Because I've been in there before. But we took the kayaks every day because it's a dink. Oh, dang it.
Dude, I saw my line.
That was a fish. I saw it. That one was.
Is that a fish?
That. Dang.
That player fishing guy?
Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
I can't believe they were spawning, dude. That is just freaky. Exactly. They're all different. It was 50. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. 14 Outdoors signing off.